Compressible flow, tutorial number 15. An observer at sea level does not hear an aircraft that is flying at an altitude of 7,000 meters until it is a distance of 13 kilometers from the observer. Estimate the Mach number at which the aircraft is flying. Assume that the average temperature of the air between sea level and 7,000 meters is minus 10 degrees Celsius. We could calculate the temperature by deduct 273 minus 10 and we get 263 Kelvin. And we could calculate the speed of sound by using this equation. And the medium here is an air, so the value of R here is 287 and K is 1.4. We could say that the speed of sound is 325.1 meters per second. And I think you already know how to draw a triangle to show the flying object and the angle created, the Mach wave created by the aircraft here. So we could say that the angle there, the alpha angle, is equal to reverse tangent 7,000 meters over 13,000 meters. So we could calculate this one and then we could find that the alpha here, the angle created is 28.3 degree. And Mach number can be calculated by having 1 over sine alpha. We substitute the value of alpha here with 28.3. Then we could calculate the Mach number as 2.109.